While everyone is talking about tariffs and trade wars hitting the auto industry, Toyota just said, "Hold my coffee," and built the most insane truck ever to roll on American soil.
This is perfect, isn't it?
Absolutely. To us.
To us.
Want some?
Delicious. Thank you. I love you.
I love you too.
If you clicked on this video, buckle up, because what you are about to witness is going to completely change how you think about what a truck can be. Welcome back to WheelShift 2.0. Today we are exploring the 2026 Toyota Landwehr 12x12, and I promise you by the end of this video, your jaw is going to be on the floor. This machine is in a league of its own, and no vehicle in America, and I mean no vehicle, comes even close to what Toyota has built here. So if you are new here, hit that subscribe button right now because we cover the most insane vehicles on the planet. And the Landwehr is exactly why you need to be on this channel. Let us start from the outside. The moment you walk up to this thing, the first thing that hits you is the sheer size of it. This truck is absolutely massive. We are talking about a vehicle so large that it commands every single inch of road it sits on. The front face is bold, aggressive, and completely in your face. You have got that massive Toyota branding stretched wide across the front, loud and proud with the Landwehr name stamped right on the front bumper like a warning sign to everything else on the road. The front bumper is heavy-duty steel with a full push bar, LED work lights on both corners, and orange recovery shackles ready for whatever the American wilderness throws at it. And then you look down at the tires, and that is where things get truly wild. The Landwehr runs a 12x12 configuration. 6 massive off-road tires on each side. 12 tires in total, all sitting on aggressive black rims and wrapped in thick all-terrain rubber. This thing does not drive on the road. It dominates it. Now, let us step inside because this is where the Landwehr stops being a truck and starts being a 5-star experience on wheels. The moment you walk through that door, you are not inside a vehicle anymore. You are inside a luxury suite. There is a full and proper living area with a premium leather sofa that is big enough to kick back and relax on whether you are rolling through Texas, cruising up the Rockies, or parked out somewhere in the Nevada desert. And for your long tour adventures across this great country, there is a proper full-size bed that is hotel quality with a bunk bed above it for additional sleeping capacity. This is not camping, this is glamping at 60 miles per hour. The kitchen inside the Landwehr is a fully equipped, professional-grade setup that will make you forget you are even on the road. We are talking a 6-burner stainless steel gas range with a full-size oven, a French door stainless steel refrigerator, and granite countertops. Whether you are cooking breakfast somewhere in Montana or making dinner parked at the Grand Canyon, this kitchen has everything you need for your on-the-go meals, and it does it in style. And yes, there is also a proper full private bathroom on board. A real bathroom completely finished with a walk-in shower, vanity, and everything you would expect in a high-end hotel room. Now let us talk about the cockpit, because sitting behind the wheel of the Landwehr is an experience that is in a completely different category. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather, the Toyota logo sitting right at the center in that signature red badge, and both spokes loaded with controls right at your fingertips so you never have to take your hands off the wheel. Right behind the wheel, you have got a full digital instrument cluster, and it is stunning. And stretching across the dashboard is an ultra-wide panoramic touchscreen that takes up nearly the full width of the dash. This screen handles your satellite navigation with a full USA map, live routing, compass heading. The center console is where all the serious business happens. You have got a leather-wrapped gear shifter with that illuminated PRND display, a wireless charging pad glowing with that blue power icon, dual cup holders, a multi-terrain selector for taking this beast off the beaten path, and rows of dedicated function controls for every system in the vehicle. Driving the Landwehr does not feel like driving a truck. It feels like commanding a machine. And now let us get to what everyone has been waiting for. What is under that hood? The 2026 Toyota Land is powered by a twin turbocharged heavy-duty diesel engine that produces an earth-shattering 2,600 bell-biz feet of 20-inch tane. Let me say that again. 2,600 bell-biz feet of torque. That is the kind of number that does not even seem real. The horsepower output is at a level that would embarrass most high-performance sports cars. And with that 12x12 all-wheel drive system, pushing power to all 12 wheels simultaneously, this machine will go absolutely anywhere on American soil and beyond. Desert, mountain, mud, rock, highway, it does not matter. The Land War does not ask for easy terrain, it eats all terrain for breakfast. This engine is built for the long haul, built for the extremes, and built to never ever quit on you, no matter what you put it through. So, who exactly is the 2026 Toyota Land War built for? This machine is built for the American who refuses to be limited, the overlander who wants to go from Alaska to the Florida Keys without stopping at a single hotel, the adventurer who wants to cross Death Valley, climb into the Appalachian, and wake up on the shores of the Pacific, all in the same road trip, the off-road enthusiast who wants military-level capability on the outside and 5-star luxury on the inside. This is for the person who works hard, plays harder, and refuses to settle for anything ordinary. If you have ever looked at the open road and thought there has got to be a better way to take it on, Toyota just answered that call with the Land War. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button and drop your thoughts in the comments down below. We want to hear what you think about the 2026 Toyota Land War. Make sure you subscribe to WheelShift 2.0 so you never miss a single one of these incredible machines, and click on the video on your screen right now to explore more beasts just like this one. We will see you in the next video.